Hello there. Much of the country started Sunday off on a cloudy but rather mild note, and this Weather Watcher picture sent in from Cheshire illustrates the point quite clearly. But we did have a chilly start in the far north in Scotland, and that's where the driest of the weather will be. But we're surrounded by weather fronts pushing in from the Atlantic. A milder westerly wind goes with it across the south of the country, and that will continue to drive in plenty of showers along those west-facing coasts. And with it, gusts of winds in excess of 35-14 mile an hour. Now, further north, we keep those clearer skies, but a cooler feel here. Lighter winds, yes, but those temperatures are going to struggle. So we'll see a real difference. Despite one or two showers across the northern and western Isles, just a maximum temperature of 7 degrees. Further south, we could see highest values of 14 to 16, way above where we should be really for this time of year. Through the night, more organised showery rain will move out of Northern Ireland, southern Scotland and the north of England. Elsewhere, we keep that mild theme going through the night. Overnight lows perhaps staying into double figures down to the south, whereas we still in that influence of colder air up into Scotland. And so here, low single figures not out of the question again. But still under the influence of this Atlantic flow for most of us, still mild and still at times wet. That's going to be the theme as we go into the week. So we'll see a band of rain moving its way through southwest England, Wales, northern England during the day on Monday. A little bit raggy. Further north, again, that northerly flow keeping conditions drier, but not particularly warm, 6 or 7 degrees. Highest values on Monday maybe of 11 to 14 Celsius. But that northerly flow that's influencing the story in Scotland just digs its way a little bit further south for the start of Tuesday morning. And so Tuesday morning could be the coldest start throughout the week as we start to see that cooler air pushing its way further south. Not for long. Milder air waiting in the wings, set to return. But it's worth bearing in mind, if you are up and off early on Tuesday morning, that we could see a widespread frost across the country, with the exception perhaps down into the south. But it will be a dry, bright start with the best of the sunshine. Won't be long before more wetter weather pushes gradually into the southwest, and again it drags in that milder air with it. So cooler into the north, staying mild down to the south. Take care.